Sabi niya, hanggang ngayon, wala talagang malinaw na coordinates kung saan, ano ba talaga ang pinaka-area ng ating West Philippine Sea o Exclusive Economic Zone. Go ahead, sir.
Alam mo, si Marcoleta was a congressman when Republic Act 9522 was approved. And he was also, I think, in Congress when the Maritime Zones Act was approved. Under these two laws, klarong-klaro, we have the archipelagic baselines under 95 Republic Act 9522. Andun yung coordinates ng ating baselines. Under UNCLOS, from those baselines, you just measure 200 nautical miles. Then you know the exclusive economic zone. Kasi alam mo na yung baseline eh. Ang importante dyan, alam mo yung baseline. So you can do that by satellite technology, GPS, makuha mo kaagad kung saan yung 200 nautical miles. Yung mga bansa naman, the coastal countries of the world did not, there are some who have fixed their coordinates, the limits of their 200 nautical mile, pero madami hindi. Tayo, we have already fixed the coordinates of our baselines. That is sufficient. In fact, more than sufficient yan dahil under UNCLOS, you don't have to make any proclamation, any legal act so that you can claim your territorial sea and your exclusive economic zone. The law, the UNCLOS gives that to you already.
Yeah.
You don't have to do any formal act. Nakalagay doon. There is no need for any formal act or formal proclamation to have your legal rights to your continental shelf and your territorial sea. Because that is already in the law. Mechanical na lang yung measurement. Doon sa measurement, linagay na nga natin yung archipelagic baselines. Alam mo na yung coordinates. So from that, you can measure the 200 nautical miles. Yung China, yung 9-dash line, walang coordinates yan. Walang coordinates. Pabago-bago sila kung saan nila nilalagay yung lumalaki pa nga. They added the 10th dash. Sabihin niya, dapat tayo may coordinates, yung China wala. And first of all, we already have our archipelagic baselines with the coordinates. That's more than what the UNCLOS requires. In fact, UNCLOS says automatic yan. Inherent. You have the inherent right to your continental shelf because you are a coastal state. Because if you have a land, yung maritime zone mo, territorial sea and exclusive economic zones, that is just an accessory, ang tawag niyan. Automatically, you have a territorial sea once you have an island. So, if you have an island that's habitable, meron ka ng EEZ automatically.
Baka
you don't have to pass a law. You don't have to pass a law to be entitled to your EEZ. That is your inherent right as a coastal state. Yan ang nakalagay sa UNCLOS. So yung sinasabi ni Marcoleta na wala pa kasi wala tayong batas, mali yun. He's trying to deny what international law has given us already. Pero yung China, yung beloved China niya, yung 9-dash line, walang coordinates yun hanggang ngayon.
Sir, in defense of Senator Marcoleta, kasi talagang bilib na bilib po ako sa talino ni Senator Marcoleta. Talagang legal luminary po yan. Baka naman po absent lang siya sa Kongreso nung tinalakay po yung mga batas na iyon. Tsaka baka nagkulang lang po siya ng konting research. Pagpasensyahan niyo na po, no? Kailangan ko lang po siya ipagtanggol kasi talagang bilib na bilib po kami dyan kay Senator Marcoleta. Sobrang talino po niyan.